इसने डील साइन कर लिया, ट्रूप्स को कह रहा था।
नहीं नहीं, अभी और एक न्यूज देखा, पता नहीं है कितना सच है वो नहीं पता, लेकिन ये लोग बोल रहे हैं कि
हाँ
अगर एफए कप जीत गया तो फिर डील साइन कर देगा, अगर नहीं जीता तो फिर ये दूसरा जगह देखेगा। बाबा
हाँ, उसकी एज
ऐसा
भी हो
बोल
रही
रहा
है ना, वो अभी अभी
है।
रिबिल्ड
हाँ
करने के
ऑब्वियसली।
लिए। हाँ
हाँ,
जी।
क्योंकि वो अगर यूरोपा भी नहीं खेल रहा है तो उसको तो एक ऐसा टीम चाहिए जहाँ पे वो कम से कम यूरोपा खेले, और उसको कोई भी ले
हाँ
लेगा ना, वो जो फॉर्म में है
हाँ
कोई भी ले लेगा उसको। लेकिन देखते हैं अभी
अच्छा,
क्या
अर्जुन
होता
तो
है।
सब ज्वाइन किया
इंटर
क्या?
फेवरेट से हवा का साइन के लिए लगता है।
हम्म।
हाँ
इंटर फेवरेट से शायद, यानी
इंटर मिलान।
र्यूमर्स चल रहा है इंटर के साथ। इंटर मिलान हवा के लिए।
इंटर मिलान,
इंटर
रियल
मिलान।
मैड्रिड बोल रहा है।
इंटर
रियल
मिलान के
मैड्रिड
पास तो ऑलरेडी 2 स्ट्राइकर है ना,
हाँ,
खिलाएगी
इंटर
कहाँ?
मिलान तो लॉटारो है,
एक विंगर ले
लुकाकू है,
सकते हैं वो
औबा
लोग,
क्या करेंगे।
एक विंगर ले सकते हैं वो लोग, और
विंगर
वैसा
अभी
विंगर।
एक प्लेयर लिया है अभी इंटर मिलान, नाम नहीं याद आ रहा।
कौन है?
नाम नहीं याद आ
अच्छा,
रहा।
अर्जुन तो कितने लोग ज्वाइन किए?
अभी तक 10।
हाँ
देवप्रियो नाम का कोई है, देवप्रियो को मैंने एडमिट किया तो 10।
एडमिट किया? एडमिट मत बोलो यार, आजकल कोविड का सीजन चल रहा है। नहीं, प्रिडिक्शन बताओ, क्या लग रहा है क्या होगा आज?
2-1 आर्सेनल।
मुझे तो
लग जाएगा।
मुझे तो 3-0 लग रहा है, लेकिन बोलना नहीं चाहिए।
3-0
बोलूंगा
इसका
नहीं
फेवर
सही
में,
से। हाँ,
इसका फेवर में।
ऑब्वियसली आर्सेनल का फेवर में।
ओह यस।
3-0 तो लग रहा है, होना चाहिए।
मैं कुछ प्रेडिक्ट नहीं करूंगा वरना आरोप मारेगा मेरे को।
चीज़ा तो
अच्छा
नहीं
ठीक है,
बोल,
मत करो।
कुछ मुश्किल है।
तुम्हारे ऐसे प्रेडिक्शन भाई कोई नहीं करते हैं, फिर इससे हम 4 से जीतेंगे, वो भी प्रीमियर लीग।
चलो अर्जेंदो शुरू करो अब तक।
ओके हाँ, अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं फिर। सो हाय एवरीवन,
हाँ,
as you all know that we have been trying to plan this meeting for quite some time. तो एक साल से, can everyone go on mute please? Okay, I'm muting everyone. Okay, so we were planning this meeting for a long time on, and एक साल एक महीना हो गया हमारे ग्रुप को, किसी से हम लोग कभी मिले नहीं, बस ग्रुप में इतना दिन से बात हो रहा है, तो इट वाज लॉन्ग टाइम पेंडिंग। चलो आज फाइनली हो रहा है, और एफए कप फाइनल के दिन हो रहा है, सो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग। सो लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। आई एम अर्जेंदू। आई हैव बीन फॉलोइंग आर्सेनल फॉर from 2002-2003 season, and my all-time favorite gooner is Dennis Bergkamp. तो आज का जो हमारा मीटिंग है, जो हम कुछ लोगों ने इनिशिएट किया, that is me, Ronak, Arup and Saurav. So I'll ask Arup to introduce himself first. Arup, can you unmute yourself?
Can you guys hear me?
Arup, you need to unmute yourself. You're still on mute. Yeah.
सुनाई दे रहा है?
हाँ, सुनाई दे रहा है.
So guys, this is Arup. So I think all know me. Most of the people are added by me. So I'm following Arsenal from 2003-4, but that time actually I was not aware that there is a team called Arsenal, because I used to see in TV that some player named Henry is playing with a jersey and some O2 sign is there. So I knew there is a team called O2. One day in newspaper I got to know that the team is Arsenal. So not a regular follower that time. I started regular following after 2010, and my all-time Arsenal player, my all-time favorite Arsenal player is obviously Thierry Henry. So over to Ronak.
Yeah, hi everyone. Like before I give the introduction, Dendu, can you just see Soumyajit is, I guess, trying to join. Can you like take him in the call, or is he like joining the wrong meeting? Can anyone just cross check with him?
I think he's joining the wrong call because I do not see anyone waiting.
अर्देंदु sorry, अरूप एक बार देख लो ना उससे, एक बार बात करके उसको इस मीटिंग में ले लो.
हाँ, उसको इस मीटिंग का इनवाइट भेज दो प्लीज जरूर.
Yeah, so like I am Ronak Sinha. So like I have been the member of this group since the very first day. I remember like Arup, me, Ardendu, and Saurav, like we all were like the first members, and we started this group. We were hoping that let's see how much far we can take, and till now I think we have done very good, and we discussed lots about Arsenal. Coming to from what time I am fan, like I am an Arsenal fan since 2013. Before that, I used to follow football in the international trophies, mainly the World Cup or Euros, and I was a very massive Mesut Ozil fan. And I was in college at that time, and a news broke out that Ozil has signed for Arsenal. And like from that very day onwards, like I started following, and like from that day till now, like I haven't missed a match in, of course, in TV. So yeah, that's from me. Yeah.
जिष्णु भाई ऐसे करोगे तो इधर भी तलब लगेगा.
हाँ, क्या बोल रहे हो?
चलाओगे तो इधर भी तलब लगेगा.
ऐसा क्या? अभी खाना खाया ना, तो इसीलिए एक सुट्टा तो बनता है खाने के बाद, वरना ठीक हजम नहीं होता. क्या करें?
Okay, over to Saurav. Saurav, can you introduce yourself?
Good evening, everyone. I am Saurav Das, and I am also a part of this group from the very first day. And nice to meet you all, passionate Gunners. And my all-time favorite Arsenal player is Dennis Bergkamp, and I started following since the post-Henry era, 2008 or 9, I guess. And currently, it's Aubameyang, of course. He's almost carrying us, and I'm looking forward to the big finale right now. Let's see what happens.
Yeah. Okay. So now, Umang, can you like introduce yourself?
Hi guys, my name is Umang Rasthana, and I'm following Arsenal since 2013 only. So, and my favorite player is right now is I'm a huge Ozil fan. So right now is Ozil, but he doesn't play. So Ozil is my favorite Arsenal player. And hoping to win the final, but I'm very nervous right now. I don't know why.
Let's see, देखते हैं क्या होता है. चलो next शांतन तुम बताओ.
Hello, my fellow owners. I'm Shayantan Sarkar. I've been following Arsenal since 2008-9 season, but you can say that from the banter era just began from that time. But that's not regularly from 2011-12 season. And yes, I'm a very big Ozil fan. Ozil is my favorite footballer, but we don't play now. What can I say? So Aubameyang are my favorite now. So backing for Arsenal to win the final. Come on.
Okay. Next, Aritro. Yeah.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear.
Yeah. So I'm Aritro Chatterjee. So I've been supporting Arsenal from 2006-7, from the very first Emirates era. I missed. I think my first match which I saw was the UCL final, where we lost, unfortunately. But yeah. So my favorite players, since I haven't watched Henry and Bergkamp much, Thomas Rosicki used to be my favorite player for a long time. And from the current team, there are a couple of favorite players as well. I like Pepe a lot. Obviously there. Yeah, but let's say this is a tough time to be an Arsenal fan, but we hope we turn it around. I have a lot of faith in it. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, next, जिष्णु भैया, FIOB के सबसे बड़े मेंबर, like हर दिन एक ना एक पोस्ट आता ही है आपके नाम पे.
ऐसा क्या? अरे ऐसा बोल दिया, थैंक यू. So my name is Jishnu. I'm from Kolkata. So I started supporting Arsenal, I can tell you a short story. Like how I started supporting Arsenal is like our first computer in my home I got on 2001, and at that time my first game which I played, that was FIFA 2001 demo, and on that I can play for 45 minutes only one match, that was Manchester United versus Arsenal. So at that time I didn't watch football, but I knew what Manchester United is. Everyone knew that. So I never heard of Arsenal. So I thought that I'll take the underdog team and I play. And I used to play that match. That was, I think, easy mode. So what I'll do, the game will start. Henry will pass to Bergkamp. Bergkamp will pass to Vieira. Henry will go to the box, and I'll take a shot. I don't know how to pass and all. I'll press D. I'll take a shot. It will directly go to either Henry or Bergkamp, and they will hit a bicycle kick, and it will go to a goal. Always it will happen like that until halftime. We used to win 6-0, always. So that's where I started supporting Arsenal from computer game, and then I started watching the games in TV, and that's how I started watching. And my favorite Arsenal players will still be, I cannot name one, I'll name four. It's Henry, Bergkamp, Pires, and Vieira. Those are my top four from Arsenal. Other than that, obviously, I like Rosicky. I used to like Nasri, but now I hate him, obvious reasons. And then from 2010, when I watched the World Cup, I became a huge Mesut Ozil fan. And I told my friend Orko, I think he cannot join the call, he's in the group. I told Orko during that 2010 after World Cup, I told him in the call that one day Ozil will play for us. That was a fluke. I just told because I liked him. And 2013 he joined. It was like a dream come true. So after that, so Ozil started playing. My expectation was higher. So he delivered. First 3 seasons he delivered. Then after that, it took a bad turn. So now my current favorite player is Leno, and Oba also. So I'm eagerly waiting for today's match because it is very much important for us. If we win this, we can secure, not only we can seal Oba, but we can secure Coutinho also, I guess, from the deal. So yeah, fingers crossed, and I hope we can win.
Okay, great introduction, Vishnu.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Arup, can you once follow up the Chan Gupta? I guess David Pio was saying he also wanted to join. Maybe I think he might be joining in the different.
Yeah, मैंने तो सबके मतलब उनको भी ये लिंक भेजा था, तो शायद वो बिजी है, नहीं तो वैसे नॉर्मली अप्लाई करते हो.
ठीक. चलो next.
Shayantan Sarkar and all that.
Our wounded Arsenal fan has been joined. So much you can see his kit. The wounded
Arsenal. Next करते हैं. Devapriyo, you can give your introduction.
Okay, hi everybody. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yes,
okay. Yes. So I am from Kharda. I started following Arsenal from 2002 season, just after the World Cup. So the story is like that. I used to see so much photos of Thierry Henry. Every weekend his photo used to come in the paper because he has scored a hat-trick or 2 goals or an assist, man of the match. So I fell in love with him. So still he is my best player, favorite player. And now there is no favorite player of mine in this team. I totally follow the whole team. I follow. That's it.
Okay, great. Next, Pushpal, you can introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Pushpal Batra. Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
My name is Pushpal Batra. I'm coming from Kolkata. So I'm supporting Arsenal from 2008 and 9 season. So, of course, my favorite footballer is all time is Thierry Henry, but right now it's Aubameyang and Leno. So, finger crossed, this is a big game for us tonight. So, let's see what happens.
Okay, great. And lastly, I would be coming to Soumyajit. I can see he's wearing the unreleased jersey for this season. It looks very good on you. You can give your introduction, Soumyajit. Soumyajit, I guess you are on mute.
So I'm Soumyajit Majumdar. I'm from Kolkata as well. So I also very much like you guys here have started. I actually started being a fan of Arsenal since 2008 and 9. We actually didn't have that many channels in our television so that I could watch it earlier than that. But later, I still remember my first match. It was against Liverpool. And then our great striker, Robin Van Persie, he took one on the shoulder and he shot one past Pepe Reina. So ever since then, I just fell in love with the football that we play. Ever since then, I have been part of the ups and downs versus the Birmingham Cities and versus the Chelsea's, which thrashed us 6-0 and all of that. But I have also been part of the Arsenal 2 Barcelona 1, which still remains one of the best moments which I have ever had as an Arsenal fan. If I come to my favorite Arsenal player, it would be Thomas Rosicky. I think some of you by now know about my Facebook name as well, how Thomas Rosicky is one of my favorite players. I couldn't see him a lot because he was, safe to say, he was an injury-prone player, but he was one player who, no matter whenever he came to the pitch, he used to give his 100%. And every time he came to that pitch, he gave his 100%. And I still remember, the goals he scored against Tottenham Hotspur. So ever since 2008 and 9, I have been an Arsenal fan. I have been a part of the up and down journey, which I don't think will end very time soon. But it's a part of the journey which I'm privileged to be in with you guys as well.
Okay,
Actually, guys,
great.
before going into any other topic, I'm just cutting you here. So before going into any topic, actually, I think it's wrong, or it's he just posted by mistake. But from a trusted source, I got the leaked lineup. So it's showing me that in place of Laka, Ozil is starting. It may be wrong.
Not possible.
The source is
as much.
Ozil is not playing. Ozil is in Turkey.
I know Ozil is in
Turkey. Can't play, man.
With all due respect, your source. With all due respect, your source is as much as leak as the pipes in our house.
रौनक को लेट वाले ने ट्वीट किया है.
अच्छा चलो ठीक है 10 मिनट है ना 10 मिनट वेट कर लेते हैं. चलो अर्देंदु
और उसके
सब शुरू करो तुम.
ओके सो
अच्छा शायंतन ने इंट्रोडक्शन दिया था क्या? शायंतन सर का?
हाँ दिया था.
अच्छा ठीक है. अच्छा ठीक है.
ठीक है तो coming back to the topics that we are going to discuss, so let's address the elephant in the room, that is tonight's FA Cup final, Arsenal versus Chelsea. So how are you guys feeling? How is the Josh?
Very bad.
Very bad.
Very bad. I mean, I actually don't know to be confident or to be scared of them, basically, because I don't know which part of David Luiz will come up. Will it be
deja vu of the last year final? UEL. Deja vu.
No, I think time I was it's confident better we play as underdogs because last time I think we are favorite in the Europa League. Everyone thought because of Unai Emery we'll win it, and whatever it happened, we just burst. And I think it's better even against City and Liverpool we defended deep and play on the counter. I think that's what suits us. Against Tottenham we tried to play expensive football and they caught us on the counter. I think it's better Arteta takes a lesson.
Actually, in this match, we need Ozil. Ozil's number 10 role will be useful because,
to be honest,
I think we don't have the creativity.
Yes.
Yeah. I don't think a player who hasn't played since lockdown to be put directly into a final.
Starting 11.
No, I think Ozil is not even in UK right now. I think
he's not even in UK.
He's in Turkey.
He's up there drinking beer with Erdogan. So don't care about him.
Even if he is in UK, it's not a right decision to make him in a first 11 because
I was hoping he would play against Watford. Yeah,
I was actually hoping that he would play against Watford, but I think it kind of like shows that he
So
Against
Ceballos
small
is the
teams, we
only
definitely
creative
should have
midfielder
played
today.
Ozil because he's still our highest chance creator, despite playing
Yeah.
like almost nothing, 1/3 of the games, or even not. And Pepe, I
Not
think, comes
even
behind
1/3,
him.
yeah.
Yeah, not even 1/3 actually.
And
I think we have to like adapt now to play without Ozil. I think
Yeah, but
he's
the thing is, I think Arsenal has played this entire season without a cam player,
Yeah.
and our team plays based on cams, right? Under Wenger, we used to have like so many creative players, and now suddenly we have none. So that's why I think the strikers have struggled a lot. I mean,
Our
Aubameyang
this
midfield
match-
is
that
not
is
productive
exception.
at all.
Yeah,
But
there are
if-
hardly
Just
any
goals
chances
and
created.
assists from the midfielder. Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, so
Chelsea
moving
won't
on
be.
to the
We have been
next
sitting
question.
back as well.
But today, I think we should play on the counter because Chelsea's defense is also poor. If we defend well, we'll get our chances, and we need to take them.
if I can say one thing to that, I am absolutely not sure if we play it as a counter team. I am not sure that Holding or David Luiz can make
Right.
But they did, right?
make the
Against-
same pace because Christian
against
Pulisic is playing.
Liverpool
Christian
and,
Pulisic is playing. Yeah, with against Liverpool. But
even
how many
against
times
City,
have
we
we?
did.
How many
Yeah.
times have we seen Holding play consistently in 2 matches?
That's true. That's true. But
Okay.
yeah,
None. But and on the other side, if you see Willian, as much as we don't want him to come to our club, he is a threat.
he's a
He-
big match player. He's a big match. He
He's
always
a
turns
big
up
match
for the
player,
team.
and when we talk about big match player, Olivier Giroud,
A real threat also.
I
Yeah,
am
yeah,
very
yeah.
much.
I don't
tense
want to
about
remember
it.
him. Yeah.
I just
Yeah,
want the David Luiz
always.
versus. I just want the David Luiz from the FA Cup semi-final. I just want him.
Yeah, true. I just
What
hope
do you
Luis
think the
Everybody
defense
wants
lineup should be?
Sorry?
What do you think about the defense lineup today?
David Luiz from FA Cup
I mean,
semi-final
I think
I think it's the
I
same
think-
team as semi-final.
Yeah, because I think we don't even have options like much because
I
Socrates
don't
is
want
not part of the
Kolasinac to
plan.
play. I don't want
Socrates-
Kolasinac to play. To be honest. Yeah.
Keep
No, I
Kolasinac
think
as
it will
far.
be Holding. Yeah.
Yeah, it has
Because
to be holding
Kolasinac
David
is
Luiz
so
and
bad
Yeah,
with his
yeah.
passing,
David Luiz
he'll
and
give out all the balls, even though he can
See,
defend.
Kolasinac
Kolasinac
can
is
play.
bullshit.
Kolasinac, if you put Kolasinac up front with Aubameyang, he might play well. But back in that defense, no, I don't want to see him anywhere.
Yeah, yeah. I mean,
What about Socrates?
No, he's not.
No.
This is the thing. Like we
That
have
is
players.
screwed up.
Actually, we have
Did
players
Socrates
in the
even play
bench.
after lockdown? Socrates,
no,
No,
I
that's-
I think
No.
I think only
He will be
2-minute
sold. I
appearance
think he
against
will be
Sheffield.
sold. I think
Only
he will
one
be sold.
2-minute
mean,
appearance against Sheffield.
If there
But
is
I don't
one
know why.
highlight,
Age may be a problem for
No.
selling him.
yeah. I mean, if there is one highlight of Socrates in this season was the goal against Portsmouth.
Yes.
Yeah,
For someone
I
who
think-
isn't playing after lockdown, I don't think there is a sense putting some player.
I think they will finish the same team as Manchester City.
Okay, Ardhendu.
Sorry, I think everybody got muted. Sorry. Anyway, you guys can unmute yourselves. Anyway, my next question was to Umang, Jishnu, and Devapriya because you three have been awfully quiet. Everyone else is speaking.
Okay.
Okay.
So next question is to you three guys. What do you think should be our lineup, and how do you think we should tackle Pulisic, Mason Mount, and Olivier Giroud? Their front three.
Okay. So I think our lineup should be as usual 3-4-3 because with 3-4-3 only our defense is playing well. Obviously, because that 4-4-3 combination was not working out. So with the lineup of Luiz, Holding, and Bellerin.
Tierney.
Yeah.
Tierney.
Tierney. Yeah. With that, and in the front, I think we should have Xhaka, Seba, and who else can?
Hector Bellerin and
Oba-
Ainsley Maitland-Niles on right and left.
Instead of Ainsley Maitland-Niles, we cannot because Maitland-Niles, I don't have too much of confidence on him, like how he will.
And it
help
is either gonna be Saka or Kolasinac. Those are the only two options we have left then.
My point is, I think this time Saka should start because every time, like Saka is coming out after the after the second half when the game is almost over. if you're winning, it's okay. But if you're losing,
Then
Saka
it's
won't
not.
be able to make an impact in the second half because he he needs to go from the start. That's what I feel. So
Can I make
Saka
a
should
point?
start. Yeah, sure.
Yep.
1 minute.
If it is Azpilicueta,
Mhm.
I'll go for Saka. If it is Reece James,
Hmm.
I'll go for Maitland-Niles.
Yeah.
And
Ah,
like
okay. Okay.
I think Chelsea will play in a back three as well today this time. I think
Yeah.
Alonso and James will play on the wing backs and they'll put the crosses in. Azpilicueta and I think Zuma and Rudiger will play in the back three. So I
Yeah.
think it will be very
So
similar
Do
formation.
they have
for
any other
both
options
teams.
also apart from them?
mm,
Christensen is there, no?
They have
Or is he injured?
they have
Christensen.
Emerson in the wing backs, right wing, but he won't play.
I
And
mean, I think they would play the same formation as us also. I think
Yeah, I
that
think so.
they have yeah.
3-4-3, yeah.
Because I
they will
don't
also play
think they are going to
3-4-3.
risk. Yeah, they are going to risk 4-3-3.
Kante खेलेगा क्या?
I think
Kante
Kante
maybe
may
in the
play.
substitution. Maybe in the substitution. Max, he won't start, I think. He won't start.
Loftus Cheek
But
बाहर है.
we have
Loftus
to,
Cheek
we
बाहर है
have
पूरा.
to stop Kovacic from the middle.
Yeah,
Zlatan
Kovacic.
Kepa has to step up against him.
कांटे नहीं
Kovacic
खेलेगा
is a
जॉर्ज
very dangerous player.
कोबासी
Okay, Ardindu, next.
Next question. So I think let's put aside the Arsenal versus Chelsea discussions for some time. We will discuss further once we get the lineup. So we have some questions prepared for you guys. So let's go to them. Okay, we'll start with Pushpal. So this question is about Philippe Coutinho. As we are hearing lots of rumor about Philippe Coutinho, would you welcome him at Arsenal? And if yes, then which position he should play? If no, then who instead of him?
I think his biggest worry is about his form. So when he got bought by Barcelona, there's so much hype about him. Like he'll change the gameplay and will ally to other players. But after that, his form only dipped. So that's a major problem. But one plus point is that Arteta is telling the board that he personally wants him. So that's a huge boost. And I would play him alongside. I think if he comes, like Aubameyang should play centrally and Pepe should come in the right wing and he should come in left wing if he comes. Yeah, and I'm excited that only Arteta is personally calling for that person. So let's see. Hope he
Lineup.
comes.
Guys, we have the lineup. I have
Lineup, yeah.
You can check.
Yeah, in the chat. Right, yeah.
Martinez holding
In Zoom chat also you can check it.
Bellerin, Seba, Xhaka, Maitland-Niles.
Yeah, it's a good lineup. It's the most expected lineup, and it's good.
so they have went for Ainsley Maitland-Niles, which
Yeah, he was good against. He's good against pacey wingers. Against Traore, he could he could run toe to toe with him, and I hope he can do it. Even against
provided
City, he was good.
provided I think if
Against Mahrez.
Ainsley Maitland-Niles, provided I think if Ainsley Maitland-Niles is playing, I think Reece James is playing in the right back of Chelsea.
Yeah. I think.
मतलब चेल्सी का भी लाइनअप देना.
हाँ, Chelsea का lineup.
Let me check.
Chelsea का
So
lineup
Saka
अभी
will
मिला
come in
नहीं.
the second half then.
Okay. Heads up. They haven't posted. Yeah, they have posted the starting
Bukayo
11.
Saka, if there is one player,
Caballero.
if there is
Okay. Chelsea's lineup: Caballero in goal. Then James, Azpilicueta,
Same formation as ours. Same formation.
Rudiger,
Yeah, they have.
Alonso.
Giroud is not
Same
starting.
formation.
Okay, Giroud is not starting. Wow.
Giroud is starting.
Giroud is the second half wonder. We remember about him. So let's.
No, Giroud is starting actually.
Giroud is not starting. Giroud is not starting.
Not
Giroud is
starting.
not starting. Not
Okay,
starting.
no, Giroud is
Yeah,
starting,
Giroud is
but
starting.
Willian is not there. No Willian.
I have checked
Giroud is
his their
starting.
official
I'm
Twitter page.
checking the Twitter page of Chelsea. Giroud is starting
Yeah, I have
Okay.
checked the same.
Giroud is starting. Sorry.
along
Yeah.
with Mount and Pulisic.
Yeah,
Mount
same.
and Pulisic, yes. And Abraham?
Abraham
Abraham is on the bench.
championship striker.
All right.
Championship striker.
But
So much
Abraham
good
started very well,
frustrated.
and Andy scored
Yeah, he
against us
started
on the
the season
Emirates.
well.
So,
And scored,
no.
yeah. The
Yeah.
winner goal one.
To be honest, Arteta is winless against
Some of the
Lampard
people are
against two
looking too
occasions.
frustrated.
So I
This
agree
is the
with that.
face of Olivier Giroud that they have posted.
Yes, I have seen that.
The amount of disrespect this guy gets.
He's a Chelsea player now. You cannot blame him.
I'm not
Remember the way they celebrated after winning the Europa League.
The Europa
Yeah.
League, yes. Thank you, Arsenal. Something like this went on. Yeah.
On the bus, he said that.
Maybe if we can pull off something similar, then maybe David Luiz can say something like that. It will be
Of
lucky
course.
to be doing something.
Of course, I am predicting that basically. David
let's
Luiz
just
header.
let's just somehow win the game, and because this is very important. I mean, for our survival. And Chelsea is just a trophy, but for us it's a lot, and that's why I'm worried that we may bottle. Yeah,
I'm actually.
Sorry?
Our Europa depends on this.
Yeah, exactly. And our transfer budget as
Our
well.
transfer budget, yeah.
This is plus minus 25 million or 30 million. So yes.
No. For FA Cup, we'll get 40 million, right?
No. Winning FA Cup is hardly something.
20.
Hardly few millions we'll get, but for the Europa TV bonus, we get a lot of money. We get around 25.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
and because we are so much, we have to get these things because we know our owner won't.
Oh my God.
Last time they did spend. Actually. I mean,
It's basically installment
right?
FC. If we can.
Every team is installment FC actually. Even Barcelona, I think, are the masters of installments. I think they
even started that thing. I think Barcelona installment thing.
So and it's Raul Sanlehi who was there, and he will do it. He's a very shrewd fellow.
Yeah, I think the people who are there, I think we should let them do their job.
Yeah.
I mean, the negative.
I just hope they back Arteta because it looks Arteta as a plan. With Emery, he was good in some aspects, but his mode of communication was very poor. So I think it was falling off. The players
Not
were
only
disconnected
mode of
after a
communication, Emery was actually gambling with most of our players. Right?
He was playing Torreira as the number 10.
The Torreira and Cam. I could never
number
understand
10 Torreira, yeah.
It was either
that was so strange.
It was either Steve Bolt wasn't understanding what Emery was saying. Maybe
I think a lot of players did not understand what
I
say.
think a lot of.
He did not have his own philosophy. He wanted to
Guys.
counter always. So
Yeah.
I just want to ask one thing. Willian is not involved in the whole squad. What does that mean?
Not even in the bench.
I didn't.
Don't say that he's coming to our